Hi there, it's Tanya from Tatty Treasures. Hello and welcome back. I've got a sore throat. I've been a bit colded up. I've had a test. It's it's just cold. So this is a thank you for me hitting 5,000 subscribers, and I spoke to Nanine about doing a little add-on kit to a kit that I'm going to be using very soon in August. So she's created an add-on kit which is going to be exclusively available in August on my Buy Me a Coffee site. So it's on there, and then in September it will be put into her shop. It will still be on Buy Me a Coffee, but yeah, she's not going to put it for sale in her shop until September. So she's just done a little kit. So there's just 4 backing papers. This is beautiful. It's a bluey green. It's a really nice colour, and there's music behind it, and then we've got this lovely botanical here, and then all this aging around there. It's a really nice one, that one. And then we've got this one which has got some daisies, and it's got like a wallpaper behind it, and then some script. It's quite a rusty colour, and then all patina around there. Then we've got this one. Don't know which way. Oh, I think it will go that way. So we've got this botanical here, and we've got some butterflies, and then we've got like a wallpaper, and this is all patina around there. I really love this. That's very nice. So that is that one. And we've got another backing one, and I've printed them out as well, two to a page. So that's those, and then there's some ephemera to go with that. So there's a page of stamps, little tags, circles and ovals, and I'm guessing they're hexagons, are they? Yeah, and some stamps. So that's really nice. And then we've got a page of tags. So she's left them close together, so you can either do them as like a booklet, or you can do them separate. So that's those, and some journal cards again together, so you can make them into little booklets and things. And then this lovely envelope. I love this. It's really very nice. And then I've also printed these out two to a page, and then the little pieces of ephemera. Something else, put that over there. So this is available from, well, I've put it up today. You'll see this video tomorrow, so it's on Buy Me a Coffee now. The link will be in the description. This also goes with, like I say, there's a full version of the kit in her shop, and Nanine's from Collage Type, for anybody who doesn't know. This exclusive, and this is just going to be available on Patreon, and this is the full kit. So I'm not going to do a full flip through, because I am doing a flip through in an upcoming video to show you a project that I'm going to be doing. So it's a big kit. Kits are always very big. Okay, so that is that. So thank you very much to everybody who's subscribed and who watches and likes and comments, and keeps coming back. I really do appreciate it, and I thought it'd be a nice way that, I mean, I know there'll be some people who can't print, but it's a nice way of trying to give everybody something, rather than just 1 or 2 winners. We have got a competition going on the Facebook group at the minute, and there's one in Patreon as well. So this is for 5,000 subs. So I'm going because my voice isn't very good. So thank you very much, and I shall see you very soon. Bye for now.